This is a tutorial on the Accounts Receivable Minor Changes entry screen. This screen is used to make minor changes to information on invoices that have been entered into the system through the Accounts Receivable module, or if you're using the Order Entry module, invoices created through the Invoice Update program. Currently we're going to query upon an existing invoice. And execute query. And the invoice is now displayed. And now if we come down here, the various fields that we cannot change are amount fields, such as the original amount and the GL distribution in this screen. If you found that you've made a mistake in the GL distribution, then you should go back and if it's an invoice that was entered through the new record entry screen, you could go back and make adjustments in through that screen, or delete the actual invoice and make your changes in that fashion. This is a screen used mostly for making changes to reference type fields that you would find on an invoice. So if we click on the More Information pop-up box here, we can go through the various fields that can be changed. So if we had a different ship to number, this is our bill to number, is ROB0001, and say our ship to was a different ship to number, we could go to this field, and this is one of the fields that can be changed. Clear out the field, and we could do a list of values at this point and select a different ship to customer from our list of values. So from our list of values here, we'll just take another customer and select that. And that gets populated. In this case here, we didn't have a customer purchase order number, but perhaps now that we have one, we can enter that in. If we found that this invoice was in dispute for some reason, then at this point we could click on the dispute flag. If we wanted to enter a reference number, we could do so at this point. Also, we could change the accounts receivable terms on this particular invoice if we do not have the correct terms in there. In this case, we're just going to select a different term. We could do a list of values at this point if we wish to take a look at all the various terms. If there was a reference sales order number that we wanted to populate, we could do that here. If this was an adjustment and we hadn't previously clicked the adjustment flag, that also can be populated at this time, and a referencing accounts receivable check number could be entered here. Once you click on the adjustment field, this field here is enterable. The explanation field, a brief explanation could be entered here, but the better thing to do would probably be to enter a comment in the comment field, because the comment field allows you to see the comment in the AR inquiry screen, which is the most popular inquiry screen in the application. So we're going to quickly just go into the comment button, click on that, and we'll enter a comment against this invoice. Currently there is already a comment entered, so we're just going to append on to that comment. Here's a comment there. Now we can save this record. So in various areas of the application, on reports or on inquiry screens, we can see these changes that we made. So it's not a matter of having to delete the invoice. This is the end of the tutorial on minor changes entry.